The next day.
It's time for the big reveal. All right. It's looking good, y'all. Okay, so my hair is looking like really, really good. I think that the combination of the honey hydrate and the jai butter work well together. So I will definitely be using this again. And I just want to ask you guys, were y'all able to name that song? If you were, or if you want to take a good guess, be sure to comment down below, like this video, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.